It's 9 p.m. and I still only have 2 roses done, so.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Wanna fall in, rain is pouring. Wanna Christmas in my heart. Wanna let me. Wanna Christmas in my heart.
It's 9 p.m. and I still only have 2 roses done, so. Zelda is whining and crying for attention. So what we're gonna do right now is gonna go give her a Christmas present. Because I know that's what she wants, or wants to attack the pillow, because she's been attacking the pillow, so. And I have so much allergies right now, it's killing me. The allergies are murdering my soul. But I think we'll have a little Christmas fun with Zelda and Luna. Hi, Luna. Do you want a present? You're wagging your tail and you don't even know what you want. But Zelda? Hi. Hey, what do you think you're doing? No. What do you think you're doing? No. What do you think? No, don't give me that attitude. You think you should get a present? Do you want a present? Come here. Do you want a present? Do you want a present? Oh, Luna. No. Stop, no. Ooh, Luna's looking. Luna's kind of studying. Hey. I'm gonna draw this out as much as possible. Come on. Come on. Sit. Not that attitude. Sit. No. Come here. No. Come here. Sit. Oh, you're gonna give me a shake? We're shaking? Okay. Can you sit? The attitude. Wait. Okay, sit. I want to see obedient little girls sit. Luna, sit. You too, sit. Good girl. Okay, wait. Okay.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas.
So I came back.
memories.
And look what Zelda got. She got another present. Zelda, what do you think you're doing? Did you get a present without permission? Yes, you did. There's only one left.
Here, Luna, you can have it. No, you already opened yours. Get it, Luna, get it. Nope, you can't have it, Zelda. Get it, Luna, get it. Good, Luna, good girl.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
It's almost midnight, and I still have 2 more roses to go. Oh, I'm gonna take a break and finish them tomorrow. They won't take too much longer, but let me show you. This is what they look like. I've got 2 more to go, and then I will have 8 roses. One of them is still back at the house. I left it there. It would have been so much easier to go to a grocery store and buy an orchid. There's no denying that. And yes, I have spent hours and hours on these roses. But, and I'm saying this with a double T, they will last forever. They will not wilt and die like that, like the orchid that I bought my grandma last year. They will be forever part of her decor. So it makes it all worth it. It's just, I kind of wish I had realized it a little bit sooner than Christmas. Because I'm like rushing to get it done so I can bring it over tomorrow. But it's all good. I'm very happy with it. Unfortunately, I haven't filmed very much besides me crocheting and doing stuff, but yeah, it is what it is. But I am gonna go have a midnight snack, and I'm gonna go play some Genshin Impact and go to bed. Oh, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more shenanigans. I am making vlogmas oh wow, I can't talk tonight. I am making vlogmas videos all month long. Until tomorrow, bye.